playing the scale, it's important to remember no vibrato, just plain sound, and pay attention to the tone you're making. Try to go for as best quality as you can produce. Also, the accents need to be equal. Down bow and up bow, exactly the same if you can. Just try to do as best as you can to match them. Also, make sure you leave the fingers on the fingerboard as you're adding more fingers and you're going through the scale. It is important to remember to think what is the next note and always try to be one step ahead. Whole step or half step. Always think like that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can learn more about the lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.